Breaking down big goals into manageable tasks is essential for success. It helps to create a clear plan and makes the goal less overwhelming, allowing us to focus on one task at a time. Many people struggle to achieve their goals because they feel overwhelmed by the sheer size of the task, they don't know where to start, and often lack direction. This can lead to procrastination and eventually giving up on the goal altogether. Feeling stuck is a common experience. It's like being in a dense forest without a map, and it's hard to make progress when you're not sure which path to take. People often set big goals, but they don't break them down into smaller tasks, and that's when frustration sets in and motivation starts to dwindle. Lack of clarity is another major obstacle. When you're not clear about what you want to achieve, it's impossible to create a plan to get there. To break down a big goal, start by writing it down, then identify the smaller tasks that need to be completed to achieve it. Prioritize these tasks and set deadlines for each one. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Create a schedule and stick to it. Use a planner or an app to stay organized and on track. Breaking down a goal into smaller tasks makes it feel less overwhelming and more achievable. You'll be able to see progress and celebrate your successes along the way. Use the SMART criteria to make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having someone to hold you accountable can make all the difference. It could be a friend, a family member, or a mentor, someone who can check in with you regularly and ask about your progress. This can be a game changer. It adds an extra layer of motivation and helps you stay on track. You'll be more likely to take action and make progress toward your goal when you know someone is waiting to hear about your progress. Accountability can also provide valuable feedback and support, which can help you navigate any obstacles that come your way. Celebrating your successes is also crucial. It helps to build momentum and reinforces positive behaviors. Breaking down big goals into manageable tasks is the key to achieving them. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can help you make progress and reach your goals. Join me in the comments below, share your own goals and how you plan to break them down, and don't forget to check out my other video for more tips on achieving your goals.